As a coordinator of OpenQKD, I'm very happy to be in Geneva today and to work together with all our brilliant partners.
Another opportunity to meet my colleagues all around Europe.
We have a big project and so many people come to Geneva and discuss the latest results of our project.
Thank you very much to everyone who traveled today to Geneva. It was a great day. Thank you.
It's good to be here in Geneva to discuss this with colleagues and maybe fill myself with nice chocolate.
It's very important to be here, together with all the partners, colleagues, to discuss the current progress of the project
and exchange about science and other things like viruses.
Et ben ça me fait beaucoup plaisir d'être ici à Genève, découvrir cette ville et partager avec tout le monde ici sur ce beau projet.
Merci beaucoup à SIG de nous accueillir malgré les virus et les tempêtes. C'est sympa. Merci à tous.